So come back here, found these waterfalls. So I said, heck with it, I'm gonna park the boat and go check things out. Well, I got down to the bottom of it down there, made my first cast, caught a solid 11-inch crappie. Second cast, caught a solid 9-inch crappie, some fat fish. So I'm gonna walk on over there and see if I can get some big crappie on tape. And show a little bit of this Minnesota exploring. It's always worth it to jump out and see what there is, because I'm telling you, I think right now that this little spot here, 2 fish, 2 casts, way back here in the middle of nowhere, is probably going to be phenomenal fishing. For panfish at least, probably a smallmouth or two too, I'm betting. But it's just a little canoe landing. I looked up there, there's a dirt road that leads into here. So hard telling how far you go down a dirt road to get back here. But it's pretty obvious DNR's been back here doing a lot of work to it, making a pretty little spot. Our fishing license money and our hunting license money at work right here. Several layers. And I bet if they didn't have this layered out like this and it just washed out, this lake on top would be a really shallow spot. A cool little place. So right here's the spot. I gotta find a place to get the camera put up and start pulling some fish in. So it's pretty loud back here with all the rapids. So make my first cast out here. I guess it'd be my 3rd cast. But first, since I walked back and got the camera with me, let's see if I can get a fish right off. There we go, fish on, good fish. Decent crappie. I don't think he's quite big enough to eat, but good crappie. Crappie number 3 for 3 casts. So let's try for 4 for 4. Back some trees there. Let's see 4 for 4 here. I'm betting they're just schooled up in here. Now one biting, there we go. 4 for 4. Good little fighter. Yeah. 4 for 4. Ha-ha. Five for 5 right here, another crappie. No, big rock bass. Five fish, 5 casts. Not 6 for 6. Right there at the shore. Oh, I got a good fish. What is it? Pike got me right at shore. Right at shore. Yeah. Not too shabby in the old crappie minnow. Or I mean, the crappie twister. Brought the minnow bucket, but I don't think I'm gonna have to use it. Little slimy thing. All right, so 7 casts, 6 fish, 3 different species. God bless Minnesota fishing. Gotta love it, gotta love it. I'm itching to get a smallmouth out here is what I'm really itching to get. Another one on. Good fish. Nice crappie. Another decent crappie right there. I tell you, he's big enough to keep, but I don't know if I feel like toting fish all day with me. I gotta probably hit a few different lakes today yet. So nice fish though. Nice fish. Great shore fishing spot. Who would have figured? Another bite. There we go. Another river crappie. Not quite as big as the last, but good. Catching fish one after another, no matter how big, it's fun. I'll tell you what. It's Brainerd area up here. It's a pretty killer area, I'll tell you what. Yesterday, we just hammered the fish. Today, I've caught, 7 pike so far. I haven't got the big one yet. Decided to get off the boat, come back here, just mess around, and one after another fish. Fish on, fish on. Another little rock bass. Out there mixed with a school of crappie. Pretty sure that's 8 fish. Looky here, I think got a little smallmouth, maybe. Just another crappie, just another crappie. Look at that. Healthy little fish. So, got the tail eaten off my last jig, so I'm gonna swap over to Mr. Crappie by Strike King. It's killer. It works everywhere I go fishing, so I'm gonna bet that I'm gonna get a lot of crappie on this too. Let's see how the first cast goes. Fish on, fish on. Another decent crappie. That's a nice crappie. That's a keeper in anybody's book. Fish on. Got another one. Decent little crappie. Yeah. Oh, I hate to say it, but I think I'm going to start keeping a few of these so we can have fish fry again tonight. I don't want to tote them around all day, but I got a bucket of ice in the truck, and I think I'm going to throw them on ice. I just can't resist a good fish fry. Throw them in there with the minnows, throw them in live well a little while here. Throw them on ice when I get back to the truck. Got another fish. That quick. It's literally one after another. Not too bad. Another fish. Oh, B. A little on the small side. Another fish. 3 in a row. 3 in a row. Definitely small side. I think I've caught at least 20 fish here already. They're one after another. Right here's another one. Another rock bass. Just a little guy, but fun catching. Fun catching. Well, the crappie are moving back in a little bit, it looks like. There we go, another fish. Another little rock bass. Got a decent fish on here. He's just fighting pretty good. Sometimes current messes with you, thinks little one's big one, but oh, look at it go. That's a smallmouth. Yeah. This makes 4 different species I caught right here in this little section. He's only a 14-incher, but dang good fighter in a heavy current, medium action rod, 8-pound test line. Good little fighter. Yeah, great day. Another decent fish out here in the current. They all feel pretty good in the current though, I'll tell you what. Let's see what we got. Pulling pretty good. Ooh, another nice smallmouth. Yeah. He's no giant, but for a small creek, I guess it's probably a small river. Only 3 foot of water out there max. Most of it's at 1 foot. Little 14-inchers, fun catching, fun catching. So the sun came out and the crappie have moved out. I caught 20 fish in 15 minutes and they've flat moved out now. I haven't got a bite in probably 10 casts, so just got lucky. That's how fishing goes, I'll tell you what. Just got lucky. Thanks for watching my little adventures here, and I'll see you on the next go-around here. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Need all the subscribers I can get those numbers up, you know.